The next topic is heapify. So what is heapify? When we insert an element in a heap, it doesn't follow the property of a heap. So we place the element in the correct position to satisfy the heap property. This process is nothing but heapify. Say for example, we consider a max heap. In a max heap, all the nodes should be greater than its child nodes, right? So if this is 100, then its child nodes must be 20 or some value lower than 100. There's nothing but 10. Okay, fine. So in heapify, in case if this is not 100 and this is 5, this doesn't follow the property of a max heap because 5 is lower than 20 and 10. It should be greater than 20 and 10. So what are the steps to heapify? First step is that the node which we want to heapify, that should be swapped by the maximum of its child nodes. Now if you want to heapify 5, then it should be replaced or swapped by the maximum of its children. So what is the maximum of 20 and 10? It's nothing but 20. So 5 should be replaced by 20. This is nothing but heapify. Let's take another example. In this, the fifth node should be heapified. This is smaller than 12, which doesn't follow the max heap properties because 12 is greater than 5. Now 5 should be replaced by the maximum of its children. Maximum of 12 and 4 is nothing but 12. So 5 is swapped with 12. This will become as 12, its children as 5, 4, 7 and 2. Now the 5 again doesn't follow the max heap properties as 7 is greater than 5. Now again the max of 7 and 2, which are both the children of 5, is nothing but 7. So 5 should be replaced by 7. 12, 7, 4, 5 and 2. We have swapped 5 with 7. So now this follows the max heap properties. And this process is known as heapify. So let me quickly write the algorithm for this. Let's pass an array, the length of the array and the node to be heapified. So let's take a variable. It will point the position I. The left child node will be in the position 2 into I plus 1. The right child will be in the position of 2 into I plus 2. Okay, so now if array of left child is greater than array of largest, then let's point the largest to left node, the position of left node. And if array of right child is greater than array of largest, so far largest will be right child. And now if the largest so far is not equal to I, then we will swap it. Swap the array of largest with array of I, and just recursively call the function. So why are we calling this? Let's come back to the example. As the fifth node, it's smaller than the 12, its children. As it's smaller than its children, it should be swapped, right? In the max heap, parent should be greater than its child nodes. That's why this should be swapped with this. That's what we are checking here. And why are we calling this? After we swap this, this will become as 12, 5, 4 and 7 and 2. Now again 5 is smaller than 7. In the max heap, this should be here and this should be here. That's why we are recursively calling this function again. Now when we swap 5 and 7, this will become as 12, 7, let me write it here, 12, 7, 4, 5 and 2. This is max heap. The procedure for the min heap is similar to this. The only difference is in min heap, the root should be smaller than its child nodes. So the only difference we should do here in this algorithm is we should change this greater than sign by the smaller than sign. That's all. This, and even here. Thank you. Notes and the code for all this is provided in the description. You can visit the link and go through all the notes. Thank you.